Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you two main ways to create a calendar database in Notion. So for the first way, you open up a new page in Notion or any page you want to add the calendar to, and you use the command / calendar, and you can just click on calendar view and it will add it to the page. Now, since it's added to the page, you can still add and type stuff onto the page, and it will just be, the calendar will be part of the page. The second way is to create the page as a database. And so we delete everything. And when you have a new page, you can always click on the three dots in the middle at the bottom, go to calendar, and this will convert it to a database, which means I cannot add separate notes on the page. This will be the page and it'll be database. So hope this helps. Thank you.